In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add collaborators in Google Forms, allowing your team to work together more efficiently. Start by selecting the Contact Information section to make sure you're in the correct place to edit the form's sharing settings. Now choose the options you'd like to offer in your form, including adding new choices and the Other option, so respondents have a broader range of answers. Confirm these additions to finish setting up your question. Next, publish the form to make it available for collaboration and sharing with others. After you close the notification settings, update sharing permissions by selecting Anyone with the link or limiting access as necessary to control who can view or edit your form. Open the sharing menu and use the provided field to add people by entering their email addresses. Select the recipient to confirm they can be invited. Access the settings menu if you need to adjust any preferences. Then, enter the collaborators' email addresses and ensure notifications are enabled so they'll receive an invitation. Finally, click Send to invite your chosen collaborators and grant them access to the form. If necessary, you can change individual permissions, assign editor roles, or remove access or enable responses from anyone with the link. After setting all permissions, click Done to save your sharing settings. You've successfully learned how to add collaborators to a Google form.